Best harp for beginners. Number 1. Smequeen Harp for Beginners. This another product from the Smequeen for beginners who are interested in buying the harp. This premium branded harp made of high quality mahogany has a dense and hard body that is perfectly to keep it in the tone, and this shall too bear the force by the strings on it. That is the reason they use premium quality wood for its body. Concerning others, it has a large size and has 16 strings made of steel, which is non-corrosive and long-lasting. The strings are shorter and produce a higher tone. The mid-size harp is suitable for beginners in terms of quality and comfort. The manufacturers give a warranty of 30 days and also give satisfaction and quality guarantee.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Smequeen for Beginners. We have another premium quality light harp from the brand Smequeen. The quality of the material used in its manufacturing is amazing. Talking about its body, it is made of premium mahogany plywood, which is a dense wood and has little effective string force on it. If you are a beginner and new to this, then this product is perfect for you in the sense that its height is normal, which is easy to hold, and it is lightweight of about 3.16 pounds. From kids to adults, every new beginner finds it easy to hold and practice with it. The strings are made of steel, which is long-lasting and can be adjusted with the help of a tuning wrench that comes in a package. These
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Mid-East Harp for Beginners. When you just start the music learning journey, especially you are a beginner in this field with 0 or less experience, you are very concerned about the type and quality of the instrument that you are going to buy. Keeping in mind this, we are going to review one of the branded harps which is suitable for beginners. This mini Kenner harp is brought to you by Mid-East. The fine craftsmanship done on its walnut body is extravagant.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Roosbeck Harp for Beginners. This beautiful harp from the Roosbeck Lily Harp is known for its material quality and the beautiful craftsmanship done on its body. That is the reason it produces a melodious sound. It comes in a shisham color as the body is made of shisham. Talking about its height, it is 15 inches high and it is specially designed for beginners who are new to this. If you are a beginner, you can easily hold the harp and begin to learn with it.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Aklot Harp for Beginners. Aklot brand is known for its beautiful musical instruments, especially the harp, which is specially made for beginners. Many new learners begin to start learning on the harp by Aklot. The body is made of premium quality mahogany wood, which is very hard and dense. It can bear the force produced by the strings, and the sound produced is warm and soothing. That is the reason it helps new beginners to recognize and get familiar with the position of strings and practice better.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.